Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to publish your app in Hostinger Horizons web app builder. First thing first, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and click on websites list. Now click on this edit web app next to your Hostinger Horizons app to access this page. After writing or discussing or chatting with Hostinger Horizons and building your perfect app, to publish it, just click on this little publish button on this corner. Click on it and wait for the web app to be fully published online. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Horizons today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Horizons. You will see what is Hostinger Horizons exactly. Then we will see what's the difference between web apps and websites or mobile apps. You will also see how to sign up and access the Horizon dashboard, the possibilities and restrictions inside Horizons, also mobile editing and FAQ. After that, and inside building your first web app, I will share with you how to create web apps like a budget app, a recipe app, or even a travel organizer. And we will also see in-depth examples like how to create a community web app or even a habits tracker or a fitness web app. After that, I will share with you how to publish your web app by connecting it to a domain, a subdomain, also SEO settings to start getting traffic from Google or search engines. Then we will jump to advanced features and integrations like how to add a database to your web app or even how to test your web app. After that, we will see how to fix common errors, then how to monetize your web app by accepting credit card payments or promote your own web app. If you want to get access to all of this, plus my other online courses today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, this app is published successfully and you can access it from or using this long Hostinger link. Click on view site. And this is how to publish your web app in Hostinger Horizons. You can access it using this long list. If you have your own domain, you can connect it from here to start accessing it easily. That's all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.